I just got finished reading this book, Inventing the Future. I found it really interesting. It's full of really good ideas and strategies in the second half. There's a little bit of like criticism of Occupy in the first half that I didn't really think was valid or necessarily correct, but just because we disagree about the symptoms or the cause of the symptoms doesn't mean that we have to disagree about the diagnosis. And I think the diagnosis made in the second half is really excellent. They talk about building a post-capitalist infrastructure and systems and mechanisms and technologies that will help us. The choice of which technologies to develop and how they are designed is primarily a political matter. The need to invent new means of production. Under capitalism, technology's potential is drastically constrained, and it's up to us to uncover the hidden potentials and link them up to scalable processes of change as technologists, as people who can write code and modify computers. The challenge is to develop institutional mechanisms that will enable popular control over the direction of technological creation. So as we get good at making new technologies, which we are getting good at, how do we enable the democracy of its steering? How do we let our friends and coworkers and neighbors decide the things that we work on together? If a technology's only role is that of exploiting workers, or if such a role is absolutely necessary to its deployment, then they can have no place in a post-capitalist future. If technology designed to reduce skilled labor permits domination by a managerial class, sound familiar? It also opens up spaces for job sharing and the reduction of work. And there's a lot of really good arguments in here for a universal basic income as a lever of change and as like a clear core universalist demand that can be made by the left. And I thought that was really cool and interesting and good.